Have you ever stopped to wonder what's happening beneath your feet? In this video, we'll dive into the hidden world of insects, revealing the incredible lives of tiny giants you never knew existed. Did you know that ants have a sophisticated communication system using pheromones? Join us as we explore the unseen lives of insects, from their complex societies to their astonishing adaptations. Prepare to be amazed by breathtaking footage of insects in action. From the mesmerizing dance of butterflies to the bustling cities of ants, we'll showcase the unseen wonders of these tiny giants of nature. Look closely at this tiny creature. It might be small, but every detail is a masterpiece of nature. With over 1 million known species, insects are the most diverse group of animals on Earth. In this video, we'll explore their fascinating and often overlooked lives, revealing their importance, intelligence, and beauty. Beneath the soil lies a bustling city, the ant colony. With the help of macro photography, we can see their intricate world. Each colony has a queen, workers, and soldiers. They work together in harmony, building vast underground nests and using pheromones to coordinate every move. Their communication is silent, yet incredibly effective. A perfect example of nature's complex social systems. Some insects are true masters of disguise. Stick insects look like twigs. Leafhoppers vanish into the leaves. Others mimic dangerous creatures to fool predators. These incredible adaptations help them survive in a world full of danger. Evolution has turned survival into an art form. Butterflies are more than just beautiful. Their wings shimmer with patterns and colors that defy imagination. Slow-motion footage reveals the elegance of their flight. Their life cycle is a story of transformation, from crawling caterpillars to graceful winged adults. And as pollinators, they play a vital role in sustaining ecosystems and growing the food we eat. Insects are nature's unsung heroes. They pollinate plants, decompose waste, and serve as food for countless animals. Without them, ecosystems would collapse. But they face growing threats: habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change. It's time to recognize their value and protect their future. If you enjoyed this journey into the unseen lives of insects, please like, comment, and subscribe. Support us so we can keep sharing the wonders of nature, because we are more than just a channel, we are a family. This video is created to highlight how far artificial intelligence has come and what it can do today, while also raising awareness about the incredible lives of animals. But let's not forget, it's still called artificial intelligence. It's not perfect and may sometimes make mistakes.